and a few dashes of white pepper if you like, optional. So there you go. Here's my very simple but very yummy steamed chicken dish for you all. I hope you like my very simple video today.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appam. Just now I opened my fridge and these are some of the things I saw inside my fridge, so I tried to clear my fridge. Okay, first of all, I have one piece of chicken thigh and also wings. Yeah, actually it's not a lot. This is probably only about 300 gram. Yeah, and just to add on to the chicken, I have some. I have one piece of. This is oyster mushroom. Yeah, is it oyster mushroom? I think so. If I call it wrongly, please let me know. Then I got only one, so I might as well add into this to steam together. I'm going to make a steamed chicken today. And then I have some leftover chopped garlic, which is actually we bought it a few days ago to make for the BBQ, yeah, at home. So I'm going to make use of it to make some sauce to pour over the steamed chicken later, and I have some sliced ginger. Right, so you want to get a steaming plate. I'm also to use this for a serving plate as well, and I'm going to put the sliced mushroom at the bottom so that you can actually soak out the nice chicken flavor later, yeah. And then second layer it will be the chicken, so you actually raise the chicken up nicely. You have some veggie you can also put underneath. You can put some Chinese cabbage, yeah. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of ginger on top. For those who don't mind taking alcohol, this is Shaoxing wine. And some salt. Then we shall send this to our steamer and steam it for approximately 20 minutes. I almost forgot, before you steam, you do want to add in some water inside so that you can get more chicken stock later. Alright, so you want to preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then carefully put in the chicken in the middle and let it steam for 20 minutes at least, yeah, while we go and prepare the sauce. So we are going to prepare the garlic sauce, yeah. First of all, give it some oil, and you want to put in the chopped garlic. I actually have more. Do I want to use it all? I think I use it all, don't waste it. You don't have to use this much. Appa is trying to clear my fridge. So you want to slowly saute your garlic for a minute or two before we continue. Do you need to brown it? Really up to you. To me, I feel it's not necessary. Some people prefer a little bit of raw taste of the garlic. Some people doesn't like it. So you decide to what extent you want to saute this particular garlic paste. This is after approximately 3 to 4 minutes using medium heat. I have decided to brown it. Yeah, why? Because I'm the only person in the family who likes raw garlic. All of them doesn't like it. So I decided to brown it, as you can see from here, golden color. This is the time where we can actually add in some water. And just tune down the heat because we are going to season this. Let's give it some salt. Some oyster sauce. Ooh, I heard my steamer is giving me some sound. I think the water is running out. I need to add in some water shortly. Never mind. Let's finish this one first. A little bit of sugar. some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. Don't waste. And some light soy sauce. Make sure everything is nicely dissolved. Then our yummy garlic paste is ready. Ooh, very fragrant, super fragrant. Let me go. It's already done, yeah? I will go and settle my steamer. All right, this is after 20 minutes steaming. Wow, be careful with the steam, yeah? Always be careful with the steam. All right, wow, looks really good. Everything should be fully cooked by now. So I'm going to very carefully take it out. All right, look at the amount of chicken stock we have. This is why I want to add in a bit of, I want to add in some water just now before steaming, right? Now this is basically done. We are just going to add in the garlic paste. Since I have more garlic paste, I think I will leave some for tomorrow and going to use it on a steamed fish. You will never waste any, we don't want to waste any of our ingredient, yeah? All right, so basically I have banjil the steamed chicken with some nice aromatic garlic paste. And not done yet. Last but not least, we're going to give it a little bit of fresh coriander and a few dashes of white pepper if you like, optional. So there you go. Here's my very simple but very yummy steamed chicken dish for you all. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.